Hello students, myself Archana Upadhyay. I'm going to tell you article writing in this video. How you can write a good article. So what is an article? Let's know. An article is a written work published in a print or electronic medium. It may be for the purpose of propagating news, researching results, academic analysis or debate. Means the purpose of article may be different. Okay, it may be for propagating news. Propagating means प्रचार करना or researching result. We can write down article about research result also. We can do academic analysis also, or article can be written for debate also. Generally, in simple words, we can say it is a piece of writing that is published in a newspaper or magazine. Now, types of article. See, there are a multitude of different types of article including news stories, features, profiles, instructional articles. Means suppose we want to give some instruction to someone and like some more also. While each has specific qualities that are unique of its type. All articles share some common characteristics. From forming and researching your ideas to writing and editing your work. Writing articles can give you a chance to share compelling and important information with readers. Here you can see in news, we tell facts, feature type of article. We write down information in a creative, descriptive way. Editorial article, writer's opinion on a topic. In newspapers, English newspapers, you can see editorial. Okay, in all newspapers you will see one part that is editorial, and writer writes his own opinion. How to, suppose the article is written about how to, means what is the purpose, then instructions about how to accomplish some task. Profile, information about a person, means all these are different type of articles. Now you will get familiar with the types of article you want to write. As you are figuring out your topics and focus, think about the type of article that will best suit the points that you want to convey. Some article types are better suited to certain topics. Some of the most common types of articles are. Okay, means different type of articles can be written for different things, and it will be better to write in the proper way. Now we can see, suppose you are writing news. This type of topic presents facts about something that happened recently and that will happen in the near future. It usually covers 5 W's and H's: who, was, where, when, why. Okay, 5 W and H. W's and H's means you have to answer while you are writing news article. You should answer about who, what, where, when, and how. Suppose you are writing a feature article. So this type of article presents information in more creative descriptive way than a straight news article. It can be an article about a person, phenomena, a place, or other subject. Editorial, as I have already told you, this article presents a writer's opinion on a topic or debate. It is intended to persuade the reader to think a certain way out a topic. How to means when you are writing the article about how to, this gives clear instructions and information about how to accomplish some task. Now, when you are writing article about profile, then this article presents information about a person using information that the writer typically gathers through interviews and background research. Means to say, whenever you want to write article, first of all see what is the type of article. Is it news article? Is it feature article? Is it as editorial or how to or a profile? And use the same pattern, then your article may be best one. Now we come to the format of the article. When a student has to attempt a question on article writing, he or she has to follow the article writing format by CBSE. Here you can see how to write article writing format in details. First of all, format of the article consists of the following parts: heading, byline, and body. And now you can see this part. It is format. First of all, we will write heading, means the topic of the article. Then in bracket write down writer's name. Okay, by ABC, whatever the name is. After that, introduction, causes and solution. These are three paragraphs. In first paragraph, write down the introduction. But keep in mind, don't give these headings. Okay, don't write heading, writer's name, introduction, causes, solution or suggestion. Only you have to put the particular things. Means suppose you are writing heading, write down the name only, name of the topic only, then writer's name only, and in introduction just start writing introduction of the topic. Don't give the heading introduction. After completing one paragraph of introduction, write down the causes of particular topic. Suppose you are writing about pollution, then which are the causes of pollution you can write down. And in third paragraph, use solution or suggestion, means you can give some suggestion to control the pollution. Now there are some general guidelines. Okay, so first of all, always study the given information or notes carefully. Whatever being is asked, read it carefully and then start writing. Arrange them in a systematic order. Whatever the information is, arrange them in your mind. You may have information, so arrange all ideas in a systematic order. Means whatever happens first, it should be written first. Okay, don't write the conclusion at first. Then develop each point in a simple, grammatically correct language. Okay, whatever the point you are writing, it should be simple without any grammatical mistake. Your article must present your ideas not in a sketchy but a coherent and logical manner. Means it, suppose you are writing, it should not be like a sketch that you have just written it. Means the ideas should be logic. You should give the ideas in logical manner and continuous manner. Develop your writing into paragraph as I have already told you. Unnecessary details must be avoided at all cost. Don't write unnecessary details. And strictly follow the word limit, which is 150 to 200 words by CBSE. I hope you have understood how to write a best article, and I hope you will write a best article whenever you will be given to write. Thank you.